Cleansing is one of the most important steps in our skincare routine because it removes all the impurities like pollution, makeup, sebum, and everything that builds up on your skin throughout the day. And if it's not done correctly, it can actually cause a lot of breakouts and acne and also premature aging. This is why choosing good cleansers is very important, but if you want to take it to the next step, you can also use cleansing devices like this FOREO LUNA 3 for men. Now, if I have to be honest with you guys, until now, I always thought the cleansing devices were literally useless, like there was no point in them. I have tried the cleansing brushes that spin. Those ones, they're just a no. I mean, I have my hands. Why would I need a cleansing device? But well, let me tell you, after I have tried this for the past 2 weeks, no, I'm not going back to just using my hands, okay? This is so much more than just a cleansing brush, and this is why I decided to actually partner up with FOREO. I love their brand. You know that I collabed with them in the past. I just believe in their products so much, and so I was gonna make this video anyways, so why not get a little bit of coins out of it as well? And by the way, if at any point in this video you decide that you want to try it for yourself, to all my man watching, and to my ladies watching, this is also a great gift to buy for your man, and so I actually linked the link to this product down below in the description box. This Luna facial cleansing tool cleanses and conditions your skin and beard in just 1 minute. It also has these little silicone bristles, so you can see right here, which provide a much deeper cleanse than what your hands could do. So you're really gonna give a deep spring clean to your skin, almost as if it's like an at-home purifying facial. So it's removing all the sebum, dead skin cells, which your hands aren't able to do. And what makes the Luna 3 for men different from the normal Luna, which I also have right here, I have to say I have been trying it out both, and if you were to just touch them together at the same time like I'm doing right now, you could literally feel a difference in the bristles, the silicone one. These feel a lot more stronger and sturdier, whereas these are a lot more softer. That means that this is specifically made for men, because I'm sure, as we all know, men have a lot more resilient and stronger skin. We also have a beard, therefore we need something that is a little bit more, you know, stronger, whereas women need something that's a little bit more softer and gentler. And so even though I still have a man's features, so I do get a beard. As you can see, I'm in need of a shave, and so I need something that is specifically designed for me. Anyways, let's get into this little tutorial. So even though you can use this every night, I prefer to use it more like 4 times a week, just to give my skin a little bit of a break. Literally depends on your preference. Now, as you can see, these are the silicone bristles. They're quite soft. Let me tell you, ever since I started using this, so like around 2 weeks now, my skin just looks a lot more smoother, like free of texture, and also I get less blackheads on the nose. I don't know if you can tell that I barely have any. You can see against the light that I barely have any texture. So for this, I am going to use a moisturizing cleanser. I love hydrating ones. I'm specifically using the simple one, and I'm just going to pour it on the FOREO Luna for men. I'm going to dampen it with water, and by the way, don't worry about getting it wet because this is literally 100% waterproof. I'm also going to put a little bit of cleanser directly on my face, so I'm going to turn it on. There's the power button right here. Press it, it turns on, boom, and then what you want to do is basically do circular motions on your cheeks like this, and it literally is such soothing and just like a massage. It feels so good. And actually, guys, if you're not aware, we're supposed to double cleanse, so use an oil cleanser and then a foaming facial cleanser to really be able to remove all the sunscreen. Everyone should be double cleansing, even guys. And so truly, this is going to be so good. If you don't want to use a double cleansing method for any reason, you can use just your foaming cleanser and use this one. This is my theory, because I really just noticed that it cleanses my skin so well, removes it of any makeup, any sunscreen, and just cleans your pores from the inside out. Look at that. And then you want to go up and down on the nose like this, and this is really going to get rid of all those blackheads. And literally, guys, I kid you not, my skin just feels so smooth. I wish you could be able to feel it right now. Now, as you can see, I have a little bit of stubble, so I do want to shave, and this is why I did this specifically before shaving, because I have noticed that whenever I use this before I actually shave, I don't get as many ingrown hairs. I don't get as many razor cuts. My skin doesn't get nearly as red as it usually does because I kind of have like reactive skin. So I'm gonna quickly shave and actually show you. Okay, so I just finished shaving. I'm now removing all the remaining shaving cream, and as you can see, guys, do you see any bleeding? Do you see any cuts or any major redness? No, you don't. And my skin literally feels so smooth. The times that I don't use this before shaving, using the same razor, doing the same bits, using the same pressure, I get cuts. When I use this, I don't know what sorcery this is, but it works. And now that I shaved, I actually want to show you another way that you can use this Luna. And basically what you can do is use this other side of the Luna, the rigged part, and actually take advantage of their famous T-sonic pulsations. So the pulsations that this does is basically going to help to lift, tonify the skin, and also rejuvenate and smooth any fine lines and wrinkles that you might have. So it's also anti-aging great. You want to do that circular motion. You can also gently go under the eyes and lift it up. And this is really going to stimulate blood flow and circulation into your skin. Basically, you really want to stimulate as much blood flow as you can to your face because blood actually carries nutrients and oxygen into your skin and into your face. Therefore, that means a lot more glowier, healthier, radiant, and also stronger skin. And I really noticed that some mornings, sometimes I actually wake up with my face being very puffy. This also happens to normal people without filler, but with people who have filler, we actually retain a lot more water and puffiness sometimes. When I wake up and I feel like my face is extra puffy, I just turn this on, use this side, and again, I just give it a little bit of a massage, and it literally just depuffs all my face, and it gives me, again, that sculptness that my fillers are supposed to give me. And lastly, as if all this wasn't enough, this also helps with product penetration for your serums. And this, you can literally just wash it normally with soap and water. It's so easy, so fast. You never have to replace these silicones bits because they just last you forever. And by the way, this also connects, of course, to the FOREO app. So I'm gonna share my screen right here. So as you can see right here, you can actually decide the strength of the T-sonic pulsation that you want. You can choose it to be softer in case you needed something more gentler and your skin is very sensitive there, or if you want it maybe a little bit more stronger because you want to really exfoliate your skin, you can choose between the cleansing option, and they're gonna walk you through a little cute tutorial. So it's basically, you can do it in case you're a beginner and you don't know how to use it. They can walk you through that. You can also choose the massaging settings. So yeah, honestly, as you can see, this Luna 3 for Men is so much more than just a cleansing brush because it massages your skin, prevents anti-aging, stimulates blood flow in your skin, it prevents razor burns, make your razor blades last a lot longer. It prevents also your skin from getting red and irritated before shaving, and I literally use this religiously every time before I shave. I'm not even kidding. So I mean, at first, I never thought that I would have liked or needed a cleansing brush in my skincare routine because I have my beautiful hands, but this is literally so much more. Now, I know that this might be a little bit expensive, but let me put it in this way. This is literally an at-home, the most professional purifying facial that you could get. And so compared to going to an office to get your purifying facials, let's just remember, I don't have the time to go there every month. That is just a no for me. And on top of that, you have to pay for that facial regularly every month or wherever you feel the need to have it. So that is like a regular investment, whereas this one, yeah, it might seem a little bit expensive at first, but it's just a one-time purchase. This will literally last you for years, and you can use this every day whenever you need to, so your skin will never get to the point of you actually needing a professional facial. So it just makes sense to me, and I really love it. And I think that for every guy watching, even the like me, we still have man's features, so we definitely need this. And for the ladies watching, of course, this is a great gift to give to your mans. I mean, it is literally just self-care. And so again, I linked the link to this product down below in the description box, so if you feel like you want to try it for yourself, feel free to go there. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If this was the first video you saw mine, might maybe interest you into joining the family, all you have to do is literally subscribe to the black channel so you don't miss any uploads, because let me tell you, we're all about fighting acne, wrinkles, of balance, and getting our skincare routine down to the T. And of course, also using some cleansing devices, sprinkling up our skincare routine with devices from FOREO, which I truly love. All the range, like I'm obsessed. But anyways, I would just love to have you here. Mwah! You can also follow me on my Instagram and on my TikTok, both of them random. There's a lot more skincare content you will see here that you are gonna see there. And we just feel around deep in the bond that I feel between us too. So definitely go give me a follow. And now to my randoms who are still watching, you know what it is now. It's time for the time word of the video. And since this video was all about this amazing Luna cleansing device from FOREO, the Italian word of the video is actually going to be moon, which is Luna in Italian. So literally this is named after Luna, so it's the moon in English. I don't know if that's the same thing in Swedish because they're a Swedish company, but it's just so interesting to me and I love it. It also kind of has like the shape of a moon. I might be reaching. Excuse me, what I think you're doing? You're not gonna get on this video. What you need to do is click whatever these two videos are here, just as informative, informational, what I do this for you. But while doing that, remember to random and always be random. And I swear, click one of these two videos or your skin will be as greasy and just as clogged up as blackheads as ever. Period. Click.